Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the news. Here are the headlines of the day. Arson attacks on government establishments and property are reactions to the arrest of individuals based on pure evidence, says Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. Over 300 high-end CCTV cameras with facial recognition features will be installed in various locations of the city to augment security. Meghalaya stares at an impending water crisis, the most severe ever witnessed. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma says number of measures initiated to mitigate the concerns. And Chief Minister Conrad Sangma to connect to the citizens directly through the CM Connect, a public service delivery system. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has said that the arson attacks on government establishments and property are reactions to the arrest of individuals based on pure evidence and facts involved in certain crimes. He said the government has been firm in ensuring necessary steps are taken against those involved in such crimes. Sangma admitted that the arson attacks happened after some members of the Kasi Students' Union were arrested, but maintained it will be incorrect to jump to conclusions. He further said that the government is committed to take necessary action based on strong evidence and facts and also contain the present situation.
In ensuring that whatever necessary steps have to be taken were taken to arrest individuals who were involved in certain incidents based on pure evidence and facts. And because of that, we did expect that there would be some reaction. So number one, we should be very, very clear that this is a reaction to certain reactions or certain actions that took place.
UDP leader and tourism minister Paul Lingdo has expressed serious concern over attempts to derail law and order in the state of Meghalaya. Speaking to the media, he said that personally he has made his views known to the Home Minister and he is confident that this would be put to a stop. He also said whoever is behind the series of attacks certainly does not have the best interest of Meghalaya in mind, as the entire world is now looking up to Meghalaya as an alternative to tourism because of a number of factors, including our nature and an environmental quality index level.
About any attempt to derail law and order in the state of Meghalaya. Whoever is committing and whoever are beyond these series of attacks certainly does not have the best interest of Meghalaya in mind. We, the entire world, the entire country is now looking up to Meghalaya as an alternative to tourism because of a number of factors, including our nature and our AQI level.
The Rs 150 crore Integrated Command and Control Center, under which over 300 high-end CCTV cameras with facial recognition features will be installed in various locations of the city, is likely to be up and running by July. Revealing this on Friday, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said, under the Shillong Smart City project, Rs 150 crore for the Integrated Command and Control Center has already been sanctioned. Work is already on and high-tech cameras are being set up at different junctions.
The Smart City, about 150 crores for Integrated Command and Control Center has already been sanctioned. The work is already on. And in different junctions, you must be seeing high-level cameras being set up. Those are the works. In fact, some people are complaining to me that this IGP junction, they have completely blocked the police point. It's been done because there's an installation going on there. Like this, there will be close to about 300 plus cameras all over the city. And these will also be enhanced by facial recognition softwares and the complete integrated command center in the IT park is being set up, which we expect to inaugurate in the month of July.
PHE Minister Marquis N. Marak on Friday admitted that the state was staring at an impending water crisis, which is the most severe the state has ever witnessed. Most of the sources providing potable water, including main reservoirs in the state, are drying up. He said the PHE minister also said the worst scenario was in Garo Hills and East Khasi Hills, but it is being managed. Talking about Shillong, he said a good storage of water in Mauflung is available and the department will be able to supply water to Shillong for 3 more months, even if it does not rain.
Each and every one of our state. Then in this lean period, we have seen so much of dryness of all the sources. You talk about Jal Jeevan Mission sources. Most of the sources are drying up, and even the main reservoirs where we have created for the supply of drinking water, all the sources are getting dry. Worst part is in Garo Hills, Tura, Southwest Garo Hills, North Garo Hills. Of course in East Garo Hills also, but then since we are having more sources and then there are many tributaries also, so somehow we are managing. But comparatively, most of the sources in Meghalaya is drying up.
Meghalaya Chief Minister today inspected the Jasai catchment area in Shillong to understand the different interventions being taken to protect and rejuvenate the water sources. At present, the state is reeling under water crisis due to the ongoing dry spell. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma informed that the government has initiated a number of measures to mitigate the concerns, even as he added that the government will rejuvenate the different springs and sources to store the water by using modern technologies.
Many things that we can do to ensure that we can minimize the difficulties that people are facing and manage the water source in a better manner. And hence it is with that particular objective that one of the steps that we have decided to take is to ensure that the different springs, the different streams that are in the different cities and towns of our state should be tapped, and we should try to rejuvenate them and try to store the water as far as possible by using different kind of technologies that are available.
The Social Welfare Department has decided to revoke the administrative order issued on July 21st, 2020, permitting the issuance of scheduled tribe certificates to applicants adopting either the father's or mother's surname, and also to non-Khasi female applicants who wish to adopt their husband's surname after marriage. The decision is because of the conflict of the order with the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Khasi Social Custom of Lineage Act 1997. Social Welfare Minister Paul Lingdo on Friday said he pursued the matter after the Hinyo Treb Youth Council asked the government in November 2023 to withdraw the order issued by the department against matrilineal surnames by misinterpreting the Lineage Act.
Lineage has already been considered and passed in the form of a bill by the KHADC, and also the same bill had received the assent of the Governor of Meghalaya. Therefore, it has the full power of an act. And when the Governor signs, it also means that it has gone through the due process of examination by the Department of DCA and then received his assent.
Under the second phase of the CM Connect, a public service delivery system program, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma will now connect directly with the public through a public hearing to be organized on a regular basis. Speaking to reporters after a meeting at the Secretariat, Sangma said under the CM Connect program, there are 3 layers which have been initiated, and the first layer is the call center that has been activated. He said the second level of CM Connect will be through public hearings where he will connect directly with the public, and under the third phase, CM Connect offices will be set up in different parts of the state where citizens can go to collect information and apply for various schemes and also submit their complaints.
We've received about 3,000 plus calls, almost 4,000 calls in the last few months. And we're seeing that the number and frequency is going up. The second level of CM Connect is the second phase, which is the public hearings, where Chief Minister will connect directly with the public, where public hearings will take place in different blocks on a regular basis, along with different government officials. And we will connect with the public by going down, and this is the second phase, as I said, of CM Connect, which we had initially launched. Third phase is that the CM Connect will have different offices in different parts of the state where people can go to these offices and apply for schemes, get information, and also submit their complaints.
In a case of mob justice, in Umthlong village in eastern West Khasi Hills district, 2 individuals accused of sexually assaulting an 18-year-old girl were brutally thrashed, and while 50-year-old Harmindra Kharkiliang lost his life, 36-year-old Melar Kurba ended up in the hospital. The police has registered a case and investigation is on. According to the headman of Umthlong, Trebor Karjana, the incident took place on Friday afternoon and the mob was out of control. The Meghalaya Medical Services Association organized the 23rd Scientific Conference cum General Meeting at the State Convention Centre, Shillong. Addressing the gathering, Principal Secretary of Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of Meghalaya, Sampath Kumar said a lot of initiative has come up in the state to strengthen the health sector. He urged all the members of the association to put more efforts and design it in such a way that in future Meghalaya will be seen as one of the best performing states. The second state classic powerlifting competition organized by the Meghalaya Powerlifting and Fitness Association in collaboration with Sangma Umsning proper was held at the Darbar Hall, Umsning today. Around 70 participants took part in the competition under different categories of men and women. The selected participants will participate for the National Championship 2024 to be held at Odisha in the month of June and Goa in the month of October 2024. Speaking to the media, Frankie Nongrum, Secretary, Meghalaya Powerlifting and Fitness Association, said that he is happy to see that more contestants are participating in the sport than the previous years. The North Liberty Higher Secondary School was crowned the overall champion at the district level inter-school athletic meet 2024 of West Chita Hills district, which concluded yesterday. The school secured the best team titles for the under-14 boys and girls, under-16 girls and under-18 girls, earning a total of 14 gold, 12 silver and 4 bronze medals. The Government Boys Higher Secondary School was recognized for their achievements in the under-16 boys and under-18 boys categories. Additionally, On and On English School, Mulong received the award for the best disciplined team in their debut participation. And now for the weather report. The maximum temperature recorded was 24.6 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 14.7 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 53%, while it was 65% in the evening. And the forecast says moderate rain is likely to occur at isolated places. And before we wind up, here's a quick look at the headlines once again. Arson attacks on government establishments and property are reactions to the arrest of individuals based on pure evidence, says Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. Over 300 high-end CCTV cameras with facial recognition features will be installed in various locations of the city to augment security. Meghalaya stares at an impending water crisis, the most severe ever witnessed. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma says number of measures initiated to mitigate the concerns. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma to connect to the citizens directly through the CM Connect, a public delivery hearing system. And with that, viewers, we've come to the end of today's edition of the News Bulletin. Do join us back tomorrow at the same time. Good night.